These are 2 brood boxes, also known as 2 deeps. You got it recording? Oh, by the way, we have Matty Bears here. If you want to say hi. Okay, he has the camera focused on this right now.
Yeah, okay.
But see all the bees working around inside. Set this down. This is called a queen excluder. The worker bees can go through it, but they can't, she can't. If we're lucky, we'll get to see her. She's the biggest bee in the hive. You see this stuff on top, that's called a pollen patty. It's a compressed pollen. What they do is they take the pollen and some nectar, they'll ferment it and feed the young bees with it. It's called bee bread. My hive tool. Yeah, that's the size of the patties normally.
Hot mix.
Ow. It's hot. Ow. This thing in the middle here is the feeder. What it does is that you put the sugar water in there and they go in and drink it in case there's not much nectar. This is an old frame that I got from a buddy of mine. It's not drawn out all that much. Looks like they're starting to work on it a little bit. But you can see they're not bothering. They're not bothering us. They're not bothered by us. You want to look down inside? Go right ahead.
Okay.
You're protected.
Don't do those smells, you'd rather be.
No, they crawl on you.
Yeah.
You can see how they're drawing this out. Whoa! I just got stung.
You did?
Yeah,
Where?
on my finger.
Yes. Doesn't hurt that much, doesn't it?
No.
Okay, grab a critter.
And this is capped honey.
Who's singing?
Right there on my thumb.
Use a. Oh, now just pull it out.
I did. You have to.
Use a credit card.
No,
So
I got it.
It's gonna pump the
So
sack
you can
in.
see all the nectar in there. You can see this one's drinking it. Yeah, they're making honey.
Being around a smoker.
Yeah, it felt like I got picked by a needle. It didn't even feel like a sting.
Why?
Now this one you can see the larvae in there? That's the eggs.
Yeah.
You can see that some of them are bigger and then they get smaller.
The stings are smaller than I thought. Although I'm sure that's not that before.
You can see they have the brood, and then they have the honey above it. This is all capped brood here, all the yellow, and some burr comb, and some honey. This actually has some weight to it. Probably weighs about 5 pounds. So I'm looking to see if we could see the queen. So this is the feeder, which is empty. I have a little bit more I'm going to put in there, but you can see they go down inside because this gets filled with the sugar liquid. They go down and drink it. They drink about a gallon in a week.
Thirsty.
Oh yeah. Just hang that there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the rest of my sugar water in, about half gallon. This This is mostly honey. Same here. I'm going to put the honey super on, which is the box behind me on the ground, and see if they're going to actually make any honey this year. You can see the pollen in there. I'm looking to see if the queen would be probably down in the lower box laying eggs. We're starting to draw this one out. About the nectar. Got that spider crawling around inside my netting.
At least I'm not scared. At least you're not scared of them.
Yeah.
That would absolutely suck.
You can see them eating the pollen patty. And they still didn't draw this one out. Looks like they're wanting to. Usually they don't do the outsides. They work from the inside out, so you have to do a thing called checkerboarding, where you'll move the undrawn ones towards the middle. Well, this is the first time I got stung doing this, by the way. You can see them building the wax comb. Now, when the bees emerge, for the first 15 days, they're nurse bees,
Get out of here, wasp.
which means they tend to the larva, and they also produce the wax
Wasps and bees.
out of a gland on their abdomen. So that's how they make the wax. Any questions? No?
I'm surprised.
You look intent and or bored. I'm not sure which.
Or still half asleep.
That's because you probably have
You
the
can see this one.
crack.
See how it's pulsing its abdomen? And this one, they're fanning their pheromones. So I just want to smoke it a little bit. Sorry. To make sure they're not giving off a warning scent. Propolis on this. Oh no, I waxed the outside of this. To try to,
Make it difficult to open up.
no, not to make it hard to open up. To try to, because the wax, they were dipped in wax when I bought them, but it was peeling off. So I wanted to help get it protected for winter. Set this down.
With you getting stung before, how did you not feel it?
It was minor.
No, we have like a couple dozen of them. Then yeah,
Yeah.
that was hurt. Try having some ball fits. Want us to do that?
Yeah, I did. Remember, I got like over 200 and some stings. By the way, 400 stings equal a rattlesnake bite. See how they're doing with this.
My eyes so
Starting to. See, I didn't wax these frames before. You can see they're building. The technical term is wonky comb. This is mostly honey.
the heck does that mean?
What, the wonky comb?
Yeah.
I wonder if that's a queen cell that they're building. This was brood cell that was capped off and some honey up here.